In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can select a large range in Microsoft Excel using a shortcut key. So open Microsoft Excel. Now suppose we are going to select, okay, let's say for example, from here we're going to select a range which is in a 500 cells, and then right here on column J. Okay, so we just need to press Control G on keyboard. Then for the reference you'll find in here, simply type J and then 500. So once you type J 500, simply press and hold Shift key on keyboard. Press and hold Shift key on keyboard and click the OK button. And that's it. Okay? As easy as that. So as you can see, we are on day 500. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.